Hello friends, a very good evening to everybody. Welcome to Prajit's Organic Gardening. In today's video, we are going to harvest some chilies from our chili plant. So come, let's harvest. So if you see, this chili plant is growing really very well, and it is also giving a very good harvest, and the plant is also very healthy. There are lots and lots of chilies all over the plant. So let's harvest some chilies. So as the plant is green in color, we have to search for green chilies. They get camouflaged in the green leaves. Here one chili is there. And here. So let's check. So this much chili is enough. So the plant is giving a very good harvest. Hello friends, a very good morning to everybody. So now we are going to harvest some chilies from our chili plant. So this is the second harvest from our chili plant. So this chili plant is growing really very well, and it is also giving a very good amount of chilies. And all the chilies are really very big in size. And many flowers are also there, and many buds are also there. So if you see, there are lots of small chilies in this plant. So here one chili, here one, here one. So this much chilies we have harvested. So still some are there. Let's harvest it also. This is small, so no need. This is also small. Somewhere I saw a big chili. Let's check. So the chilies are also in green color, and the leaf are also in green color. So it's little bit difficult to find. Here one. So this much chilies is enough. And we have 2 turkey berry to harvest also. Let's harvest it. So let's harvest the remaining sweet limes. And here also one. And see, the leaf eating worms came in our sweet lime plant. We should soon rectify it. So wait friends. So the sweet limes are really very tight. The stems are really very hard. So that's all the sweet lime harvest. This much is enough. And many small sweet limes are also there, and flowers are also there. So if you see, this is the total size of the sweet lime. So I have checked this plant a lot times. The fruits are taking more than 2 months also, but they are not coming more than this size. So I think it's that variety, or as I'm growing in a pot, no, so it's coming like this, but it's really very sweet in taste. So this is the overall harvest. Thanks, bye.